I learned late in the game on the tomato plants that you need to trim off the lower leaves, and that because they need to get air underneath them and the sunlight, and the lower leaves will only take nutrition away from your plant that you're trying to get the nutrition to go to the fruit. And so pretty much all of your large vegetation that puts out flowers and that and that gets real thick, you need to go in and kind of clean it up.
Or you could just let the tomato worms do it.
Yes, we'll show you an example now of what a tomato worm can do. Okay, in this grow pot here, we had this big, beautiful tomato plant. And I mean, it was just full of leaves. It was so pretty, doing great. And the next day I came out and I'm like, oh my God, what happened to my plant? All of the stems, all the leaves were stripped on it. It looked naked. It still had some blooms and it still had some tomatoes, but the stems and leaves looked naked. And I found a caterpillar on it, and so I started looking around. I kept finding more and more. It was a horned tomato worm. They were literally devouring this plant overnight. I've heard other people say on videos that they can wipe out a plant overnight. Trust me, they can wipe out a plant. But we are trying to salvage this one, and the fruit will continue to grow and ripen, and we have 8 tomatoes off of it, and they were good.